In this lecture, we will do the detailing of the lateral ties of the column. If you don't want to do the manual detailing of column, you can check the section where I have shown all this method with the help of software, and that is in the iRise building. Okay, you can check that section there as well. Okay, now let's focus on this, that is lateral ties. Okay, so if you look here here in the our model. Okay, so if you want to check the shear reinforcement, you just simply need to go here and click here. After that, you just simply need to go to display design info. Okay, and from here you can easily select the shear reinforcement, and after that click on apply. And okay, so now you can see here that in this region, that is at elevation 2. Okay, you can see that we have a shear reinforcement area of 0.44. Okay, so for that, let's take the example of this column. Okay, this is 0.44. so what I will do is I will go to the Excel sheet here. Okay, and you can see here that this is ASV by SV, and this is exactly what I have written here. Okay, and let's take the letter ties, the dia of that one has 8 numbers. Okay, so if this is a two-legged stirrups, okay, obviously the area of that one will be a 3.14 multiply this dia divided by 2. Okay, divided by 4, sorry, and after that, because it is a two legged, so you have to multiply it by 2, and after, ultimately you will get this value. Okay, this value, this is 100.48. Okay, now what you have to do is to get the spacing. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to divide this one. Okay, you have to divide this number by this, and after that you will get the spacing. You can see that I have divided this one by this to get the spacing. Now after getting the spacing of the lateral ties, you should keep 3 points in your mind, that the lateral ties should be minimum of the following. Okay, so you can see here that the lateral ties dimension of the column, that is, if let's suppose that if the column size is 230 into 300, that the minimum spacing should be 230. In our case, our column size is 450, I guess, into 400. Okay, like that, so you have to pick up the minimum value. Okay, and here if you look here, you can see here that the second point is that you have to take the 16 times the die of main bar. Let's say that we have two die of bars, one is of 16 and another is of 12. So we have to take the main dia as 16, and after that you have to multiply this 16 with the 16 dia part, which will be 16 multiplied 16, that comes around to 56. Okay, and the minimum is 300 mm, so you have to take the minimum of these three, so we can provide this spacing. Okay, so in spacing, what we can do is we can decrease the spacing. So here, if we are getting the spacing of 2 to 8, we can take the spacing as 200. Okay, so you can take the spacing of 200. So this is how you have to take the spacing of the stirrups in column.